teach you how to make paper airplanes. You don't make your paper like this and you just fold it like this. You make it like tall and you fold it tall. And you make like this and you fold it even, and when you're done you fold it like this, and it's gonna, now I'm gonna put it in like this. And make sure you have a square in the bottom. Make sure you have a house, like a house. This part is so hard, but I can try my best. Just like this. And if you do that, you do like this, but not too far, but not too, and you do like, even you fold it like this, but not too far, and here don't leave some space. And after that, you do like the same step 2. You fold it. Wait. Like this, like a house. And like this, you do it, wait, the other way. Like this, like an envelope. But don't just open it and do like this first, even do like that. But don't do that, cause it's not gonna look like a paper airplane. Fold it. And do the same like you did, like you did a house. You do the same and you do like this. So look, it's like this now, but it's okay. It's okay if it's like this. You didn't messed up if it's like this. And you do it another one. If you don't know how to make a paper airplane, just watch this. And do you know who teach me? My dad. I need and when you fold it like this, even you fold it like this. And if you want to make a shortcut, you can make a shortcut. Even you fold it like this. Like this, but don't fold it like this again, because you don't need to. And you fold it in the other way next, like this. Now you're done, and you fold it in the top. And now you have a paper airplane. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. And bye.